guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine using these new Mane Choice products. So the first product that I'm going to be showing you guys is the shampoo. Now it states that it gently cleanses and reveals hair's natural luster, helps to balance and restore moisture, revitalizes the scalp and encourages growth, fortifies hair and improves elasticity, and helps and strengthens and minimizes shedding. So we'll see how true to form that is. And then the next product that I'm going to be using is the leave-in spray, which it states that it's a daily leave-in spray that detangles and minimizes frizz, boosts moisture and shine in dry, lifeless hair, helps to ease the styling process, adds natural luster and lasting shine, and softens, conditions, and protects. So we'll see how true to form that is, since this is my first time using these products. Now I won't be using this moisturizing styling cream today. I'm just going to be washing my hair, not styling it. That's for a separate video. So hello again, you guys. As you guys can see, my hair is dry and lifeless and it needs a little TLC, so we'll be taking care of that today. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the shampoo. So to kick this video off, we're going to start off by wetting my hair, because the wetter the hair is, the better manageable it is, and the better the products can seep into my hair to really moisturize and get my hair back to life. So I'm a smell person, so what I'm gonna do is smell the product to see how the smell is. It wasn't really too extravagant. It was like a soft smell, if that makes any sense. And here I'm showing you guys the texture of the product. So it is kind of medium to thick, which is all right to me. I mean, as long as it moisturizes my hair, I really don't care, Now I do like thick products, don't get me wrong, but yeah, so the product did lather up very well, which I'm very pleased with. Now, as you can see by my face, I'm kind of, a little confused, because it says it's supposed to, revitalize your hair, moisturize it, all this good stuff. But it didn't seem to moisturize my hair, whereas it did more of stripping my hair of its moisture. But we're not going to give up on this product just yet. I'm going to go in with a second lather to see if I get any different results than what I got. So as you guys can see, I'm feeling my hair, I'm not really pleased with the product. So we're going to go in one more time to see if we get any different results. Yeah, so for the second time, I'm still not very pleased with the product. And this is how my hair is looking after using the shampoo. My curls are there, but they're not really there. So I'm going to go in with my Holy Grail Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle. I cannot talk today. 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner to see if I can bring my hair back to life. So I'm just applying that to my hair. Then I'm going to section my hair off, tie one side up, and then I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. As you guys can see, my comb is gliding through my hair. I have no problems detangling. It's very easy. That's why I love these Aussie Moist products. Never do me wrong. After the detangling, I'm going to go in and do a light finger detangle, and then I'm going to section my hair off into 2 separate sections, and then I'm going to twist each of those sections up. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Starting off with detangling, make sure my hair is fully detangled. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing to that side, section it off, and then twist it up. All right, now after I'm done applying the product, I'm going to wait about 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. All right, so here I'm untwisting. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm untwisting the twist, and as you can see, my hair looks very good. The curls are there. It looks very moisturized, very juicy, which is what we love to see. My curls are popping. This is my bad side. This side doesn't like to curl up that well. That's why it's looking kind of straight, but curls still look very nice. And there's a view of the back. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and rinse this deep conditioner out of my hair. My husband literally scared the crap out of me. As you can see, he walked in the bathroom. I was doing my thing, didn't know he was there. And when I looked, he was there. It scared the crap out of me. All right, so here I'm going to go in with the leave-in spray. Now, as you can see on the top, there's like this little film. So what I did was I went on ahead and shook it up. And when I did that, it kind of all dissolved together. And the top was so hard to open. It took me like 3 minutes to open the top, which should not be a thing. And now here I'm going in and I'm spraying the product all over my hair, making sure every strand is generously coated. Now the weird thing about this product is that like it had a sudsy feeling like a shampoo, and it also sounded like it you know how suds sound, it sounded like that as well. So I thought that was very strange. And I'm not really pleased with this product either. So what I'm going to do is go with my holy grail, this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Never steers me wrong. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my hair. Hopefully it'll bring some moisture back into my hair. So yeah, guys, I'm not very pleased with these products. I'm going to give them another try. Maybe they'll do something different for me next time, or maybe I'll just go ahead and try the conditioner out as well. But as of now, I'm not very pleased. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, y'all.